Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name channel is Membawang Apasaja. Ha 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 ha.
If you guys news in my channel, I hope you guys help me push button like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, help me.
Today I want share what you all guys about. Viral story. If you guys want to know, watch this video.
Let's go watch this video and Membawang. Hahaha. Alright guys. This guys share what he drawing in Facebook about car engine Nissan Skyline R34. First he make an until finish. He just use on pencil and pencil color. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video until finish.
If you guys like my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Don't forget push button bell for not miss the next video. Thank you guys.